Okay guys, so I haven't got around to making a video of this yet. Got that was there. So it's back, and I guess we can say it's not fixed. It runs fine. However, like I said, it runs great and the fuel pump works. It wasn't the fuel pump. I'm sorry. The mechanic said that he believes that it is the ECM. Story behind that is not bad, Cameron. You should have used the e-brake. Could have slid the back end around. Anyway, so he checked the relays in it. The relays were fine. He switched all of them around. That didn't make a difference. He checked voltage coming to the fuel pump. Only had 6 volts there, which may explain sometimes why I didn't really hear the fuel pump, because it was halfway running, and sometimes it's hard to start because it wasn't getting full 12 volts. So he put power to the pump with his probe he has, and the pump ran. And he started the truck, and the truck ran. So the pump is fine. Either it is and then he went to where it is here, is the inertia switch. He checked power there, and he had power there all the way, but it wasn't. He had 12 volts, but 6 volts coming out of that. But that's a normally closed circuit there. So he believes that is the ECM, the computer that controls this thing, which that is the original computer, and we do have another fuel pump in it that's been in there for probably like 15 years now. So that's what's going on with this. Like I said, I am not doubting this thing at all. This thing has at least 400,000 miles, which I'm willing to bet is more than the Chevyac up there. So that's what's going on with this. Just got to give you guys an update. It's been back here for probably about, maybe 2 weeks now, maybe 3 weeks. So that's what's going on with that. Sweet.